How to recover or change password on the application Tellonym. First of all, you need to make sure that you have updated the application. For this, you can go to Play Store or App Store. Now that this is done, let's move on with the recover process. Just tap on the application and you will land to its homepage. There is different option by which you can sign up, but we have to select on the sign in option. Once you tap on it, you have email and password section, but tap on need help with sign in. Now you have to choose with which you verified your account. It could be using your Google account, your email account, or the old method, which is Snapchat. Select by which you created the account and then provide your email address. Once that is done, tap on send button and a link will be given on your inbox of your email. Once you reach there, tap on it and then once verified, you should be given the space by which you can set up the new password, and just by that you can recover your account. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.